All right. Thanks for coming, everybody. I'm glad to see we have, the regular group here. Even Tabea's back after a while, so that's exciting. So today we're going to have a play party with just as teachers instead of a kickoff challenge or a challenge kickoff because it's already 7 days into the soundtracks challenge. But we've heard some good things about the challenge so far. Have you guys been liking it? Have your students been liking it?
Our kids liked it. Yeah, they like the songs.
Cool. That's what a few other people have been saying too, that the songs and that they're shorter excerpts, so they're not quite as long, that kids have been really enjoying it. So that's cool. So, okay, we're going to take the next 30 minutes. We'll probably come back at 10:35 Mountain Time. So just over 30 minutes and get as many as you can. If you can go ahead and put in the chat how many you already have, how many tickets you have, then we can count. And I know it's going to be a big discrepancy because some people are starting now, some people start at the beginning, and there's lots of numbers. But this way we can sort of keep up, like at least challenge ourselves to get as many as we can. So go ahead and throw those in the chat and begin. All right, and as you come back in, go ahead and put your number, how many songs you passed off today. 47, Lawrence. Whoa. See, Cami, can you beat that? Oh, 49. It's always that rivalry between you two. Oh, Cami, you're muted still.
Oh, I was just saying, I wasn't sure because my internet kept glitching. And so I was thinking somebody was, trying to do something.
Like hack you?
No, I wasn't trying to sabotage you.
Do you know my IP now, Lawrence? Is something going on?
I was pretty proud of my 15, you guys. I'm currently nursing, therefore only had one hand, most of the time just the left hand. So that was new for me. Challenge. 25, 24. Nice.
Another reason this challenge is awesome. You can do it one-handed nursing.
Yeah, you can, apparently.
Since I didn't have a piano and I wanted to be like a kind of spammer watching you or so, I was trying virtual keyboards, which was also a very new experience. I knew them, but I never tried to use them for playing.
I was just thinking how funny we look when we're playing. Like we're kind of animated, bumping around, our heads nod as we keep the beat.
I don't know if you've ever watched the recording that I posted, but I speed it up, like this whole part from like 30 minutes to like 2 minutes or less. So it's kind of funny to watch our little time lapse of all of us just kind of like dancing around. So yeah. Let's see, is that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're missing.
Singers class.
Your dad hasn't let us know.
Somehow my piano stopped. I had a lesson before this and was working in Piano Marvel, and it wouldn't work. So
are you on an iPad, Evelyn?
No, and I finally kicked out my keyboard and brought it back in, and that did it. So, but at that point, it wasn't worth doing anymore.
Right. Oh, I'm sorry. So we have 8 then, including Tabe and Evelyn. So we're missing, Aaron. Maybe.
Let's see. We have. It has Esther in it.
Oh, and wait, Cindy Hansen White. Wow, that is so complicated. That there's an Ann Hansen, an Ann
Cindy Hansen White.
Yeah, there's just a lot of similar names going on.
Ann
okay.
Q, Cindy Hansen White, and Ann Hansen.
Yeah, I think that's all we're missing. Erin, Ann, and Esther, but they may not have. Hey, Ann. Oh, you're muted.
Oh, you're muted.
You say 22?
22, yes, thank you.
I'll put that in for you.
Okay. Thank you for doing these play parties. I just loved playing those familiar songs, and it really boosted my mood because I usually don't take time to sit down and play. So thank you, thank you.
I it too. And I actually got to play a little bit today, so that was fun. So Esther Jones, were you able to do any today? You're not connected. Oh, 25. Okay, we'll put Esther. Oh, she, yeah, 25. She put it in there. All right, so then just Aaron. Aaron, are you around? May have stepped away. I know he has a lot going on. He has a big, what's it called? Webinar tomorrow.
Oh yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah. So he may have had to step away for something, but
What is
awesome.
it about?
I doubt he got more than 49. So what was that, Tabea?
This webinar, what is it about?
Oh, it's basically this. It's like explaining how the challenges help our students learn to sight read better because they're fun and kind of addicting. So it's about helping our students like get addicted to sight reading, basically. So it's for MTNA teachers specifically, and we actually had to not open it up to like the piano roll teachers because so many people are coming already. But we're going to record it and send it out, and then if people really like it, then we might do a separate session for piano level teachers. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so we'll at least have a recording to send out to you guys.
I wonder if any of these teachers are going to be featured. Do you know?
I don't know. They haven't really like finished. I know they're working on it just before this meeting, so they haven't really finished like the whole lineup of everything. But they may want some testimonials, so I may be reaching out to you, or Erin might be reaching out to you, for those of you who really like the challenges. So maybe be prepared for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. I don't think we really have news other than that we are slacking on getting the what's it called? The new like Find a Teacher page up and running, just because YouTube competition and like it's just a lot of things happened at once. So we're hoping to finish up with the YouTube competition stuff and then get the email out to you guys so that we can start collecting your information, getting your videos, so we can get that up and running and hopefully get you guys some new students. So that will happen soon. Sorry it hasn't happened yet, but that's why. It was bad planning on our part with everything that happened all at one time. So our bad.
Michelle, are the finalists out yet?
They are not. They will be announced tomorrow, and then that will be when the voting begins. So we'll announce it along with here's where you can go vote. Yeah. Yep. So awesome. Any other questions or anything cool things from the week you wanted to let us know about or anything like that?
Just that there are really cool videos in the competition. It's been so fun to kind of watch so many of them. I don't know if you guys have gone in and kind of watched them, but it's been fun to see what people.
They improve also their video art, not only the piano playing. They are so creative. I really like them.
Yeah,
yeah.
It's pretty crazy what they've been able to do. And I know a lot of these students, like some of them get help from their teachers, but others just do it all on their own. And so it's amazing to see them do that.
One of the students' videos that I watched, he strapped himself to the ceiling of a gym and lowered himself down to the piano and played while suspended in the air. That is going above and beyond for beyond the playing, I think. Commitment. I was like, wow. What?
Hey, how many did you, now that you're back, how many did you get? I know you were probably busy and didn't get very many. You were muted. Oh, can you hear us? Maybe not. That's all right. But yeah, Cami, I saw that one too and thought like that is commitment. Like also taking so much effort and time to make that work.
I know. And you see a parent, I think it is, with a smartphone right outside the video. Or
Awesome.
teacher, someone.
Yeah. So funny. But yeah, and thanks to you guys who had your students upload their videos, especially those who are doing it for the first time, because it's so cool to see them improve over the years. So they'll get to see that first video. And honestly, if it was just a plain video without all the extras, that's even better for their first one, because then it's really easy to like improve on that each year. So really cool. Thank you guys for participating. If there's nothing else, or is there, Carrie, were you going to say something?
Well, I was just going to say, I had that very experience with my beginner student. Like, he was totally apprehensive to video and he wouldn't even look at the camera.
Mhm.
And then once he watched himself, he's like, can I send another one in?
Oh,
So he was like all over it. Anyway, so yeah, it made a big difference, just that one. Like, I didn't really know that it would make a difference, but yeah, the kids, once they see themselves, it's like changes.
Yeah. That's really cool.
I'd like to give a shout out to Ann Q. She's #1 in the studio or in the competition.
Yeah. Oh, I
is
was
she?
a spotlight her so we can take a
She's
look at
really
that.
rocking this one.
I'm
Right.
assuming your studio's right up there too, Cindy. Am I right? Let me
I
see
have too many competitive students. I apologize. My students just love the challenges.
Oh, you're right up there with Anne.
I
It's like
know.
you guys are neck and neck.
We just passed Cindy this morning.
So pretty awesome. Good job, Ann.
You, Cindy and Lori are like like me and Lawrence in these meetings, like always the competitors right there.
Who is Lori? Who is Lori?
Lori Dunn.
Lori
She's
D.
obviously Canadian. She's up in like
Nova Scotia, I think.
Yeah, Nova Scotia area. You're right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. And then I
Up
don't
with
know
Esther.
who it is. I'm not sure. And then Erin G, obviously, my father. Anna L. She. Oh yeah.
She's in- yeah.
One.
She was our studio really went head to head with hers for the hymn challenge.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So a lot of cool teachers. But awesome, you guys. All right. Let me remove that real quick. So this next presentation, I guess, so next time, 2 weeks from now, is going to be about basically how to put on like a summer camp or anytime camp, but like a camp for your students, so that it's like an intense short-term thing. A lot of teachers prefer to do that and then take off the summer, so their students are still getting paid the same amount over the summer, but everybody gets a break, the students, the teacher, everybody, but they're still feeling like they're getting that really like something extra and fun. So it may just be me and my dad, because we've done this a lot and it's been really fun, but we are trying to find other teachers to contribute to this discussion as well. So if you've done some kind of camp, please let us know. I'll also reach out to a few people and put something on Facebook to see if we can get some people who have some experience in this area. But if one of you does, please let me know, because we're looking for
So Let's Play Music is offering a recorder, an 8-lesson recorder summer camp. We can buy the program and use it as we please, you know.
Oh,
Complete with a little student workbook and student songbook and theory book and the recorder. And I signed up for it. I'm going to check it out, see what they're up to.
Yeah, that sounds cool. We'll have to hear about it after you've like.
And that's available to anybody. I mean, any teacher can purchase that and use it the way you wish.
You don't need to like be a Let's Play Music
No,
certified.
you don't need to be a Let's Play Music teacher for that. At least that's it. That's what I understand. Yeah.
And what is it again, Ann?
An 8-lesson recorder summer camp.
Yeah, how do you get it?
Go to the Let's Play Music website. You know what? Yeah, I can't. I need to check into that for you. Okay.
Okay.
So I found it in a newsletter of ours, and I don't know yet. I'll tell you guys next time. Okay.
Well, also it'd be really cool if you could put it on the Facebook group. Just kind of drop it in there. Say, hey,
okay. All right. All right. I need to find out if the where I got it was just. I've got to figure that out, so I don't give you wrong information. Okay.
Oh, cool.
I'm
Thank
really eager to hear about that, because Karen Faye and we have also been working last year on something like a kind of world tour around sea songs. And I uploaded a lot to Piano Marvel, so I have a lot of songs already done and the whole pedagogical background. But I would really like to learn from you how to do that, also for the timing, how much is too much, how much is enough. So I'm really looking forward to this session.
Awesome. Cool. Well, any other questions or anything before we head out?
I would just comment. In the individual, I'm number 5.
Yeah, Evelyn.
Love
Let's
that. Yeah.
see. And
Good
Q,
job.
hit that again, and then I can spotlight you. Let's go take a look at the individual. Spotlight. There we go.
There we go. Right there. There's Evelyn.
Hilbert.
Oh, yes.
And then Anne is really high up there too. Number 8. Wow, you guys are crazy. That's awesome.
Evelyn, I think we're wearing the same scarf.
They look a lot alike.
Oh. I didn't even notice that.
Funny. Cute. And like, are you both wearing denim too, or is it just blue, Evelyn? Is that denim?
I just did that. I highlighted it.
Yeah. No, it's just a soft cotton.
Okay. Well, close. Looks like you guys called each other and figured out what you were going to wear today. So, all right.
Kind of looks like it's a day for scarves, because Tabea, are you wearing a scarf as well? And Anne? Or not Anne? I'm sorry.
It's very hot inside because I have the heater on, but it looks so great. We had a very cold month, but since yesterday it's getting warmer, so it's all decoration.
Nice.
Carrie and I are sporting the hoodies. we're holding up the hoodie brigade.
I'm just always wearing t-shirts and sweatpants pretty much, so that's closest thing I get formal wear.
I wanted to thank Evelyn and Anne for their participation in Piano Marvel and also on the videos and in Facebook, because right now I'm having students, not in piano, but in English, who are quite elderly. Some are even 82. And we always had this discussion like, I'm too old for that, or technology is not for elderly people. And you are really a role model to follow, because it's not only that you get along well with technology, which I observed right from the beginning. I also see how you engage with community through technology. And we always say you need young people, the elderly people don't understand it. That's not true. And you're a good example for that. And I'm so happy because I can tell people, and it's so motivating. It really is, because I see it every day. It's not a question of age. It's a question of not having fear and having the right help, and that's all.
If you need data, I'm 80.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's so cool. I will tell my students. She will be really proud of that. So great.
Awesome. Thank you, Tabea. That's so true. I love, like, some of my favorite things about this job is getting to see different teachers and the way that they use technology, and like especially those that are really, like you said, not afraid of like jumping into something new and just making the best of the tools that we have at our disposal. And especially people who have done something a certain way for a long time and then they decide to change and do something different. It's just so motivating for me as a young person to be like, well, if they can do it, then I have no room to complain, So it's really cool to watch.
Yeah, I started teaching Let's Play Music piano basically at age 70. And that involved a whole training course and everything. So I trained for a brand new career at age 70.
That's amazing.
It's great. It's really great. Yeah, that's what I always thought. But now it's the first time I have a class and I can prove it, that why not is true. It's really true. And it's wonderful. So hopeful for everybody.
Cool. All right. Well, we'll see you guys in 2 weeks for this next presentation. Please let me know if you or someone you know of is good at like doing a camp in the summer and they have some expertise. And we will see you guys then. And don't forget to reach out if you need anything between now and then. Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah.
Thank you.
In 2 weeks.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.